Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th chapter 18, and in last video we had seen product coefficients, factors. I've told you to revise it again, read it again from the textbook. Okay, and now next topic is power of literal quantities. Very important, very easy, but very important also. Also very important. Alright, so we'll see here immediately here. So it's easy once you understand. It's very easy to understand. So a multiplied by a, not a plus a. Remember, don't get confused. A multiplied by a. So when a multiplied by a we do, it is equal to a square. So a multiplied by a is equal to a square. So a 1 1 plus 1 2. Okay. This will be, if a plus a is there, you will get some different product, a different answer. A multiplied by a is equal to a square. B multiplied by b is b square, because two a's are there, so 2 square. It is also called square. B into b means two squares, two b's, so b squares, b raised to 2. We can read a to the power 2, b to the power 2, or a square, b square, a raised to 2, b raised to 2. Okay. Now here number of a's multiplied are 3, so a raised to 3. Here x number of x multiplied are 3, so x raised to 3. So here number of m multiplied are 4, so m raised to 4. Okay. So please see, it's very important. Please go through it. So x raised to 6, what is this? X raised to 6. How you are supposed to read is x raised to 6. X raised to 6, or x raised to the power 6, or we say the sixth power of x. Okay, sixth power of x. So here x is the base, since it is in the bottom part, so x is base. Raised to 6 means 6 is called as exponent, power, or index. Exponent, power, or index. So this is base and this is exponent, power, or index. Okay, so in detail we'll see here. We have nice examples here how it is read as. So a multiplied by a, see how I am reading. A product a multiplied by a, you have to write it as a square. Two a's are there, so a square. So we say a squared, or a raised to the power 2. It has to be read in this way. A multiplied by a multiplied by a. So a cubed, or a raised to the power 3. M multiplied by 5, m multiplied by itself 5 times. So m raised to 5. M raised to the power 5, or fifth power of m. So for 2 and 3 we say squared or cube. Okay, we have special name, but for the power 4, 5, 6 we don't have any special name. So we say m raised to 4, m raised to 5, m raised to 6, m raised to 7, or fourth power of m, fifth power of m, sixth power of m. Okay, so I hope you have understood that. And the very important part is, for all value of x, x raised to 1 is x, and x raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so what does it mean? Let us see. So whenever x raised to 1 is there, we consider it as 1. So when 5 raised to 1 is there, we say it is 5. 4 raised to 1 means the meaning is 4. 10 raised to 1 meaning is 10. So a raised to 1, the meaning is a. Okay, a raised to 1, the meaning is a. B raised to 1, meaning is b. 2 raised to 1 means 2. So when we want to write 2 raised to 1, we generally don't write 2 raised to 1. We write only 2. It is assumption that 2 we are writing one time means 2. Okay. So 29 raised to 1 means 29. Similarly, x raised to 0 is 1. X raised to 0 is 1. A raised to 0 is 1. B raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 29 raised to 0 is 1. What is the difference here? X raised to 1 was x. X raised to 0 is 1. means x raised to when the powers are 0, we get answer. We get product as 1 only in all the numbers. See, for all the bases. Now x, a, b, 2, 29. These are all bases. And what is the index or exponent or power? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So any base raised to 0 will always give you 1. And any base raised to 1 will always give you that base itself. Okay, so this is very important concept. You have to use it in next class also, in other chapters also. Okay, then if you'll see this index form and product form. See, when you write, see, I told you that you can write this raised to this power as, it can be called as exponent, power or index. So when it is index form means we are using powers, we are using exponents. So 2m raised to 3, or you can see how to read it, 2m raised to 3 n squared, or 2 multiplied by m cube n squared. Okay, then how you have to write it? You have to write it in m how many times? 3 times. So 2 and product, this is the product form. So 2 multiplied by m multiplied by m multiplied by m multiplied by n multiplied by n. See, this 2, this 2, this 2. M cubed means m is taken 3 times. So m multiplied by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. N squared. So n multiplied by itself 2 times. So this is the product form, this is the index form. Why it is called as index? Because we are using here powers. Okay, so if it is said, it can be vice versa. Means convert this into product form or product form into index form. So if it is question is given in this, you have to convert into index form. If question is given this, you have to convert in product form. Same with this 4a squared x squared. So 4 multiplied by a because a is taken 2 times and x is taken 2 times. So x multiplied by x. Okay. So this is the product form. This is the index form. Next will be your in next video we will be studying the last topic of this lesson. The last concept of this lesson, that is polynomial in one variable and its degree. Okay, that's also very important. Degree is very important. So, and then the continued video will have last exercise. The only 2 exercises are there, but since confusion will be a lot. Okay, so you have to go through this chapter again and again and again and again to avoid the further confusions. Okay, so please go through the video and read the chapter. That's very important point. Okay, so take care. Goodbye.